look for your account, ma'am, so that I can help you regarding with your concern. May I have again your first name and last name?
Felicia Grissett.
Thank you so much. I'm just waiting the system to load up here.
I bet you are.
On.
I bet you are. Annotating lies, and I got receipts to show that I had $18 in my account, or $20 in my account yesterday, and I got the receipts. Then I paid Cash App, so I had a negative $4 in my account when I paid Tanya. Not a negative $92 when I paid Tanya. Okay. Then I went and I withdrew. I tried to withdraw the max. Y'all wouldn't let me. Y'all only let me get down to $100 that I can overdraw, because I'm going to get my other check next week or whatever. So y'all let me overdraw only $100. How do I got $40 over that $100? Well, wait for it. I got the receipt or whatever to prove how much I withdrew from the banking account or whatever. That's just so you would know. And, of course, I got recordings that prove that my account was a negative $4 when I paid Tanya.
So would you like me, ma'am, to read the transactions here that was made in your account?
Yes, go ahead. All the way up until today, because I got paid. So when I got my direct deposit, all the way up until today. Go ahead.
So when you get your direct deposit, ma'am, from the VA deposit on last September 25, your available balance is $433.65. There's a pre-authorized payment to convenience fee, and that is $2. Your available balance after that is $4,331.65. After that, a payment to David for web pay of $850. After that, your balance is $3,481.65. After that, a transaction at the Soul's Fashion, it's $92.29. Leave you for $3,389.36. After that, a transaction at the Walmart of $121.88. The balance is $3,267.48, followed by a Dollar Tree transaction of $20.25. Each balance after that is $3,247.23, followed by the transaction at the PayPal, which is $47.20. Balance after that is $3,203, followed by the Palms Motel, which is $808. After that, the balance is $2,392.03. After that, the transaction at the Cash App, which is $53. After that, your balance is $2,339.03. After that, a balance or a transaction at Cash App again of $41. The balance after that is $2,296.03, followed by the transaction at the Food Lion, which is $146.21. The balance after that is $2,149.82, followed by the transaction at the Family Dollar, which is $20.91. After that, the balance is $2,128.91, followed by the transaction at the Progress Avenue of $6.62. The balance after that is $2,122.29, followed by the transaction made on the just hold on. Followed by the transaction here that was made at the pre-authorized payment to Rushmore, and that is $2,100. And after that, or before that rather, there is still a transaction at the Circle K of $2. So after that, $2.03. After that, the balance from $2,122.29 falls to $2,118.76. And after that, there is the pre-authorized payment at the Rushmore of $2,100. After that, your balance is $18.76. After that, a transaction at the Cash App of $23. It made your account into negative $4.24.
Exactly.
So since that you're already on negative, it was also charge you as well, ma'am, for the you also have here showed ma'am as the ATM decline fee of $1.50 3 times, ma'am. After that, your balance falls to negative $8.74. And you made an ATM cash withdrawal, which is $103.99, plus the withdrawal fee of $3, plus the overdraft fee, which is the $20, and it leaves your available balance to $135.73 negative. And after that, there is another $1.50, ma'am, ATM transaction decline fee. That's why your available balance now is negative $141.73.
I greatly appreciate you for running down all the transactions. And you are absolutely right. The only thing is, what is being sent to me via email is a total lie. What's been sent to me via email is saying that I was already negative when I paid Tanya, and that is a lie. I began to be negative when I paid Tanya the Cash App of $20, and that's when I was a negative $4. So basically, this is to let you know that lies are being annotated or whatever, and that's it, or whatever. Thank you for going over the transaction. We don't have to say no more.